Welcome to No Fire Technology. This is a company based in US and it's being represented here by SourceLink Company Ghana Limited. Our product is a paint that looks like all other paints on the market. Just that this time around, when this paint is applied to any material, composite, wood, or paper, even cardboard, and there is fire, it doesn't burn. This paint is called No Fire Intumescent Fire Retardant Paint. This paint comes in all colors. It is a green technology. That is, it is a water-based paint. It's non-toxic, it's environmentally safe, and is certified green by Master Paint Institute in the United States of America. No Fire Intumescent Fire Retardant Paint contains no halogens, no hazardous chemicals, and no burnable solvents or asbestos. No Fire paint is very durable. It resists moisture, high humidity, and aging. It has the lowest volatile organic compound content. It resists rust and exudate formation. It resists the growth of mold and fungus. It also resists the growth of bacteria. Let's assume you've painted your home, your hall, your kitchen with No Fire paint. In case there is fire, that fire will be stopped wherever it starts. This paint has a property that is called intumescent property, which means this paint expands and forms a shield between the fire and the surface that is coated. Thereby, the heat or temperature is resisted from getting into direct contact with the surface that is protecting. Also, No Fire paint retards the fire and prevents the fire from spreading. When No Fire paint is purchased from our stores, it has 5 years warranty. Also, when No Fire paint is applied on the wall, it can stay on the wall for as long as 25 years. And thereby, the company gives you 25 years of warranty when this paint is applied indoors. I'm going to demonstrate the effectiveness of No Fire A18 paint. This is ordinary wood that has been coated with No Fire A18 paint. It's coated on one side and the other side is not coated. A small source of fire is applied to the specimen. Even though the source of fire is very small, because the paint on your wall is burnable, the fire propagates and spreads so quickly and it becomes very big and in no time gets and becomes uncontrollable. I'm going to apply the same amount of heat or fire to the part of the specimen that is painted with No Fire A18 paint. The more fire or the more heat you apply to it, the more the paint swells and foams away from the surface it's protecting. This is the intumescent property of the paint. You only see a red surface, which is just a reflection of the fire by the paint. If I take the fire off, there is no burning. So at this point in time, let's examine the wood and see if there is any damage whatsoever. The fire has been stopped by the paint, and even actually we still have a lot of paint on the surface of the wood. That means the paint that foamed away is just a small portion of the paint that is on the surface of the wood. What No Fire paint does for you is to buy you time. It can save your family from fire. It can save your home. It can save your factory. It can save your warehouse. It can save your shop. Whatever applications you use No Fire paint for, you are rest assured of safety when it comes to fires. No Fire paint does everything ordinary paint does, except burn. You can locate No Fire paint in Accra, Adabraka, Kojo Thompson Road. Get us on telephone numbers 0507 65 64 64. That is 0507 65 64 64.